Hi there, I'm Shelley Craft and I'm absolutely delighted to take you on a tour today of Aúra by Kamber. We're very, very close to the heart of Burleigh Heads right here. It's a magnificent, modern, coastal, Mediterranean, quiet luxury mix. Come inside. It's quite a seductive little entranceway, so I invite you to come on in. First, we get a taste of ABI Interiors here with their solar outdoor shower. I love this detail. But Aúra itself, in Greek, means gentle breeze. But in my eyes, I think this house has more of a aura about it, don't you think? The full concrete construction has allowed the architect and the designer pretty much free rein to do whatever they want to get this incredible voluminous space with the 6-metre high ceilings. Everybody wants one, but not many are game to do the sunken lounge, and I think this is an enormous feature, if not the focal point of this particular home. But yet you think concrete, it might feel hard, it might feel cold, but the palette in here is absolutely stunning. It's soft, it's inviting, it's even cozy. You all know I love a laundry and it's here on the bottom floor, as is this guest suite. Now, any guest would be delighted to visit Aúra for just even one night's sleep. Although we are here for ABI Interiors, so the bathroom is what we really need to check out. And the guest gets their own. Yes, they do. And it just happens to feature the latest addition to ABI Interiors, which is their tumbled aged brass. You can see the thinner profile here. Obviously the patinaing is happening just perfectly on its own, and that will age over time and give this whole space a little bit more character, although it has a pretty strong character on its own. We always expect the kitchen these days to speak quite loudly, and yet this Sicilian Verde stone is absolutely magnificent. There's so much detail in here that kind of brings in all the greens from the outside, and yet it's subtle, and I absolutely adore it. And again, the tumbled aged brass here is the perfect combination. I don't think you could have chosen another colour. And through every room in the bottom floor of this house, you can feel the gentle breeze. So yes, Aúra was the perfect name. The actual living flow of this home is a huge credit to Kamber because it really is the ultimate indoor-outdoor space. And I want to note that they have changed the tapware. I know a lot of us panic about doing that, but considering this area will be the workhorse for entertaining, I love the fact they've gone with stainless steel. It ties in perfectly with the Barbie. And excuse me, if you're talking not so much quiet luxury, just plain all-out luxury, who doesn't want beer taps in their barbecue area? You do feel totally protected in this space. The planting that they've done surrounding the block is just spot on. It really does hug you with green. Of course, we have our gorgeous dining nook here, and also on the bottom floor, there's another bathroom and a gym. Now, if you need to even yourself out, if having a beer tap was a little bit too much, never fear, there is a wellness retreat. Yes, you heard me right. I said wellness retreat. So not only do you have this fabulous heated plunge spa, you've also got an ice bath and a sauna tucked quietly towards the back of the block. They've really utilised all the space by creating a wall on this side with gorgeous breeze block. All the bedrooms upstairs look down onto this courtyard and of course this beautiful feature. I really want to see what they've done up here because this is kind of incredible. Every detail is so considered when you think that the staircase rods match the pool fencing on either side of the home. This beautiful timber floating staircase lets all that light come in from the wellness garden, and you can see that beautiful olive tree from every angle in the house. I'm not going to believe what's upstairs, and I don't think you will either. The feeling of space up here on the upper floor is quite extraordinary. There's voids, there's walls of glass, there's skylights everywhere, and this bathroom is absolutely calming. It's quite incredible. It's a great, very generous space, obviously, and it's shared by 2 bedrooms. We know this is going to be special. The primary suite, of course you've got your hanging gardens out here, how incredible. And then a view all the way down the canal. And I love the fact that they've changed up the colour tone here for the primary suite. They've used the Beneath stone. It's got these beautiful pinks and reds, this lovely richness, but it's still very calming because you do want your bedroom to be your sanctuary. And I tell you what, this is one hell of a sanctuary. We're always so excited to see ABI Interiors used in new, different and creative ways, and Aúra by Kamber was absolutely no exception. This house is extraordinary and I'm so glad I got to take you on the tour. Thanks for joining me.